Hello, I'd like to briefly talk about the optional program assignment 3. So you are not required to do so, but before actually I give this kind of the program assignment. But this time actually I'm not going to ask you to do to this PA3. If you're interested, you can check out the specs of the PA3. You can actually do that, but it's not required for you to do so. So basically, at the PA2, at the prior diploma assignment, you are actually doing the various transformation at the modeling space. So basically, when you do the translate, you actually translate along its own modeling space. But a lot of cases, actually, more actually the sensible transformation. Maybe we want to actually translate this object in the this viewing space. So let me show this example. So in the prior class we talked about the various we talked about actually the various viewing transformation, and then we can actually perform another this transformation like that, translate this object in that space. Let me show you the example of that. So let me render this the PA3. So then PA3 is essentially the same thing with the PA2. If I do the translate, it actually translates along its modeling coordinate, right? But if I click the V, now actually the transformation will be done under the viewing space. Then actually I can translate this object in the viewing space, right? So in many cases, some user want to translate the model in the viewing space, right? As we click this object, here actually I click this cow object with my left mouse button, then I should drag it here and there. So then I want to translate in the viewing space. That's one of the key operations that we wanted to do. So if you're interested, you can do this PA3, but it's not required.